will be like you will get 60 minutes. In 60 minutes they will give you 3 paragraphs, like the question paper will have 3 paragraphs. For each paragraph you will have 20 minutes. Like they will not tell you like you have 20 minutes, but they will give you overall 60 minutes. Then you will have to divide your time by yourself for each paragraph. So the first paragraph is the most easiest one, so it is recommended to spend 15 minutes on that paragraph. The next is a bit difficult, so you will spend around 15 to 20 minutes depending upon your capability, and the last section will take your most time. This will be your strategy for the time management. Why? Because in the reading section, time managing is the most important thing, because it gets really difficult to attempt the 3 paragraphs in the 1 hour if you are not well prepared. But if you have practiced this thing in your home environment, then it is not that difficult. So yeah, today we will start our reading module. It has different questions. Rest of this section is very much easy. Like if you are into book reading or something like that, like reading an English literature in any form,
Yes, I actually read novels, English novels.
then this section will be pretty much easy for you, inshallah. Because it is only like only one section is a bit tricky. Rest of the whole reading module is pretty much easy, so it will not be difficult for you. So what you have to do, you just have to familiarize yourself with the paper pattern techniques and learn that how you can manage the time. So inshallah we will learn that thing. And there are different types of the questions. We will solve this paper, and then I will also explain those types of questions to you. So overall you will have 160 minutes, and in those 60 minutes you will have around 40 questions. 40 questions for the 9 bands. So each question, basically they have the strategy which I have discussed in the first section. Like if you will score around 32 to 36, I believe 36 like in the range, and then you can get around 8 bands. So you can easily manage your band score in the reading section. So what is our strategy for this class? In this class, first I will give you a paragraph. There are 3 paragraphs, but first you will solve only paragraph 1. For paragraph 1, you will have 20 minutes. This is the paragraph, the development of the London Underground Railway. Okay. Then it has the question. So always read the instructions for the IELTS, because if the examiner has asked you to write one word and you are writing 2 words, because in IELTS exam articles are counted as separate words. So if you are writing 2 words, or even if you are not writing a 2 word, you are just writing an article, that will be counted as negative and your answer will be marked wrong. So always read the instructions and then look at the question type. So this is basically choose the one word from the passage and write in the box. Like this, you have to fill this box by the passage, and these are the blanks. They will be pretty much easy. This type of question is easy. So you will read the paragraph and you will write that word in the paragraph. Then you after 20 minutes I will mark it out. The next part is true, false, not given. Always remember true, false and not given, and yes, no and not given. The strategy for these types of question is same. You will only mark the question true if the statement which you are reading is exactly the same as that of mentioned in the paragraph. If it is exactly the opposite, then you will mark it false. And if there is no information given relevant to that statement, you will mark it as not given. You will not add your own assumptions in true false section in the IELTS reading test.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
This is the very important strategy for the true false. So when you are marking the, basically I believe like most of the students, reading is a difficult section. Why? Because they are not used to reading. But if you are used to the reading, then reading section is the most easiest one because all the answers are there in the paragraph. You just have to focus on the paragraph and you can score even 8.5 bands as well easily. Okay, so these are basically the two questions which you have to solve in 20 minutes. First you will solve them,
Okay.
then you will send your answers to me, and then we will do in the class. Like I will see that what is your strategy, where you are lacking, and then I will guide you that how you can improve that strategy. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now your time starts now. It is basically now 47, so we will count it around 50. So
So टीचर हमें सिर्फ पहला पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है.
yes, now Eman, I am giving you only 20 minutes.
Okay.
Getting my point? 20 minutes
Okay.
for one paragraph.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can start your test.
Okay टीचर.
At 10:10, your exam. I will. Your times will be up.
Okay टीचर.